You need the views, James. You can do this. You can do this, James. You need the views. What up, fam squad? It's time for another unboxing video. Today, we're gonna unbox a Blackweb HDMI cable, premium certified, optimized for HDR, 4K video, and up to 7.2 surround sound HDR. 18 moms. Let's do this. Hey, I'm just like any other unboxer. I'm too weak to unbox something, so I have to use a knife. Let me go get that. Sorry about that. How do you even open? How are you even supposed to open these things? Are you kidding me? This is only 6 foot high. This is like the worst HDMI cord you can get. I don't know why they have to wrap it so much. Oh wait, forgot to do those. Great. Wow, this is very stiff. Oh, that's because there's another wire on here, because people definitely want this. Did I just... No, it goes the... Oh no, it's the other one? Oh, okay, so... We get this one and... Okay, great. Aha. And there's 2 tags. Great. So, here we go. Finally, it's out of the box and it's all stiff. I'm gonna have to try to unstiffen it just a little bit so I can use it comfortably. Honestly, why do I do this? Why do I do this for a living? This is the worst job ever. You're gonna cut that out, right? You better cut that out. You better cut that out, you son of a... Okay, so it looks like this is as close as we're gonna get. Let's go test it out. Okay, I'm down here at my TV and I'm gonna plug this in. It's gotta... Is this it? No. Come on. Where do I plug it in at, man? I don't think there's any real place for it. Okay, so apparently I never needed an HDMI cable, so this is useless to me. So thanks for watching.
You and me. Oh.